Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time, to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service, and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now let's talk about the Bitcoin BTCUSD. I think max pain for BTCUSD is around 20k. The market has been kind of living on hopium for the past quarter and for the most of Jan. Things are not looking good for risk on, and I expect to see more sell-off. But in the short to medium term, there may be a relief rally that could come, and this is really your last opportunity to sell off and rebalance your portfolios. This cycle is not going up to 100k. The top here is at 71k. Hopium is not going to do you any good. So really sell off some if you're over risking your portfolio. Have some money on the sidelines to buy the dip, so then you don't feel cornered. With this correction, the next cycle, the upside target now has changed to 200k, and that should come in around 2023, maybe 2024. Yeah, but really take the opportunity, put on your life vest, get out, buy the dip, and then put it in interest yielding protocols like DFI, and then wait for the next market cycle. Yeah. Right, so I've come to the end of this week's analysis. I hope the best for everybody. Yeah, good luck and trade safe.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.